juvenile hire di amuk crime amuk commit to kan neba juvenile hire kadoi ba plea lo kadoi je ai na haina crime commit to de have ne what crime have I committed have ne ko crime commit to have do that is on the base of mere allegation ne the mere allegation da to hire di sigi system je la ga di koi rule of law je le ro then the gi moigi top media channel khara nam tawraga mi je dum smai tawra false allegations like dum sigi koigi India the developing country na vulnerable weaker sections of society laws including women adagi children adagi ahal laman ko makoi gi laws yam phajana enforce tawna hona was the misuse never how many cases are pending at the instance of the fact divorce cases filed by wife against husband I don't support husband also if he commits so and so crime ko adu data mayam du di changja roge adu sidai da kari gi dumta sigi jaga je la ino habdi verify to analyze to bom khakti tawram dre ba ko adu police su ji investigate tawre ha ba police so far as my knowledge is concerned sideline to le re
okay
adu gender neutral ne ba ko hojik lai je gender neutral lo mina nupi duna katukan to as far as my facts are collected ko adu di gender neutral oi bani nupi du su charge to ya ba pot su ai finding phang daw din nate but it takes place outside not in Manipur masina khoi da vulnerable ohen mane ba mama pa da imung manung gi parents mayam da pau phau ba ngam da ba khot ba mayam khak lei ba aduna madugi timing do da media jina yam na aggravated form da amuk makha ta na sum sigi keno ji satharak ba haitare na it needs to be stopped and such kind of this thing endeavor on the part of such people should not be encouraged at all
okay
aduni
okay thank you very much hariba thodok sigi matang da sen gi demand khara su tawi habagi paw amasu phangi adumapu chap chaba warol si khangdringai da koi social media platform da hariba singji gi wari si adukimatik achumba aran ba se kaino khangdringai da koi pura flash tawdana pura circulate tawdi loigre adumapu hojik lairi ba sigi phibam sida angang singji taseng namak January bangang sing jita seng menang kadai po yung namara lay natraga lay te habis ko chap chaba di khangdri adong po as a advocate mo oina oza hojik lay ba chap chaba khoi phibam ji khangdri ngai matam da social media da suk pak sana circulate taw gi bisna maram oy ka anda hojik angang sing sigi tungi career amadi makhoi na lalame makhoi gi chairak aduma phangdaba yaroi makhoi chen ba yaroi oza kari kamain thamiring ang dong thambyo
thank you for the time incident se all together media those lazy directly jumping to the conclusion hai tare that 13 report amakak 17 da 13 September gi report amakak 17 da unfold tawakana public domain da lakpa hai bisna kari no heinous crime ni charge of rape there is also like gang rape haibani sida chhatra manga khak chenai haibani chhatra manga si without any verification makhoi gi karam mamong da leibano have si tawba tawdabuduna khoi facts and law duna tongan bama oira kanda makhoi sina karigumba crime ama even tawre hargasu juvenile singe haibagi pot sima namjanba media mayam da ko
okay
maduna namjala kanda hojik se sum maduna hengala kan white khoi wild phagi type ta sakra kanda last di hojik si hojik koina face tawri si fake su media na semba law ju media na semba ko aduga any koi crime si commit tawri haga su juvenile oire haga di once sil ne leido se
okay
had safeguarding statutory safeguard ne ba despite commission of crime hai tare ko aduna hojik lei basi amna precarious oiba situation um khakta leire adai hojik si tara humdo gi poram khakta trateta adagi train panda anga ama phajan ba adagi mathang course of action da juvenility ki jaga da angha amuk kauba dagi sumaina kauraga sum koi gi procedural punishment hai bitare ko si juvenile gi jida ju thokchal e ada hojik learning poti media na karamba basis ta evidence phangbirage ai media mayam dai hangjari aduga evidence to phange harga su do they have the authority to undergo to the extent of punishment makhoi ji punishment before trial le dunia koi law da harga di ko punishment before trial ji de moi ji convict already phange adu somehow court na makoy ji land de na hojik puthu aje maybe after charge sheet or matung da who is going to compensate. It's all about tarnishing their image.
Very true.
Aduga angang ne ba ko angang oiga di angang dadi kamai to na even crimes commit tore hairga su makhoi da school of thought karam no na makhoi reformative school da makhoi thammo ha bane ada ai di huji aina mayam da hangjai sha media gi mayam hum sweba those like who are taking very much keen interest on making such kind of false allegation makhoi da hangjani je karam crime no ma angang sing na tawri je okay rape gang rape haire huji rape gang rape si da reveal to raise prima facie when reveal to raise karamba revelation on what basis the revelation of this charge is like unfold to the public only on media the toro media trial to ule ko aduna maram kanda sina maram kanda yam chauba education gi jaga da sokpa loina na authority ama gasagi university ma koina tambe university authority sidagi suspend order to na ama to notification to
yes
that also comes after 2-3 days of like the LS incident hai tare 17 the to 17 to kana suspend tore hare aduga wahi si angang jing suspend tore angang manga suspend tore adu wahi si kamai tore hai kanda disciplinary action am logani aduga charge sheet thagatri baudi haiba wahi am very ambiguous oi ba hai tare wahi mat khoi gi artha ahum mari thokpa aduna maram kanda authority na hojik school college gi university gi authorities na angang jing suspend tawje number 1 ai mayam da hangjage Sina maram or kanda aggravated ohellev masagi gang rape ni natraga rape ni haibasa sigi charge ngasagi authority koi gi keno se university na form is the basis or kanda yam chaw na sina formulate to hellev aduna authority university vis-a-vis ngasagi media da leiba portals mayam leiba kholiyo mayam je makoi gi roles ani ji connivance man bam yaw khale aduga mu highly suspend to re suspend to wisdom disciplinary action jong logini hai aduna wahi is intertwined to each other aduga opportunity of being heard say when before like suspension takes place lai rong gadoi ne adu to de have jim di moi university na yare aina hujik lakchani gi di very much confined to the very specific area of education imparting education je makhoi je education je hujik je mang dor bra haibe du wari ne trial je marom kanda ai di haijari mayam da ju out of those some of them are minors minor gi law se si violate tauba aduga measured about the presumption of innocence and benefit of doubt ko until proven guilty he should be treated as innocent hai ne minor not about da aduga akhoi lam si da hujik tawri ja not only in respect of our manipur it within the context of the India masidai da tawri se koi minor ne bo khanga kana adu suppress torakana media nungai na mayam paba nungai na torakana hojik che adu gi juvenile justice ki jaga adagi crime gi jaga angang na crime toraga di haibai jaga se pura subdue toraga suppress torakana hojik trial tore trial is already accomplished hai tare adaida ai khoi na sum thengna bada hojik che nupi si di veracity di no one asks si kari gino mayam dai hangjari nupi gi veracity di kari nam ta hangri no facts say this is only the facts which is alleged by nupi that women is a gospel truth adu gospel truth ne na khoi logadra ba adu idi tawbiro ji punish pibiro hai ba sa mana re ba hoji mama pa na hairaka du ji aduna sigi posel laksala ga di akhoi gi kaino si society se it's malign and it's very much prejudicial to the coexistence of all communities mayam jo khangbiramani adai community mayam ge du tawba khotpa mayam tore na polarize toraga nakanam da chatpagi pot am layeba adai da aina hangjai kari evidence ta haibiri no what constitute prima facie so as to allege that he or she or they have committed crime adu kari police na haibir ka laigra adu mathakta khangba ju yaro only the mere allegation ni manam di kaino da sexual assault haibani na FIR or whatever the investigation or inquiry relating with this present incident may not be bound to unfold to the public aduna sungkhang khangre hekta sidai da numi mari mangani tawbiri base it should be stopped forward, and otherwise it requires to be dealt with iron hands. It doesn't mean that I support totally for the cause of the minor vis-a-vis aduga nupi adubu masida tawgadaba justice adjudication haitare ko sigi jaga je masi jaga je kaidobi no hujik pura pomchai chailaga futile exercise ohilije sigi polarization duneba aina yam nungai tije masi ahamada I thamjage so
okay oja ai wahang am tanga I marak ta chauge oja hauji akhoina su chap chaba khangde adumapu oja na sumta as a advocate amoino oja su dumak haidi chap chaba haidi hariba khoigi masida chenari ba ngang sing sigi chap chaba makhoi se pharaba matung da chap chaba si leire makhoi ta sengna rape tawre habagi chap chaba proof se hauji sunglai leitri bane baja.
Yes, client relationship haitare ko and privileged conversation that's between my clients and so and so. Which probably the court ke na the sangbu leitri.
Okay.
Because on the very mere ground of like they belong to juvenile.
Okay.
Aina hajaina juvenile haraga di amuk crime amuk commit to kan neba juvenile har kadoi ba plea lor kadoi je aina haina crime commit to de have ne what crime have I committed have never ko crime commit to have there's on the base of mere allegation ne the mere allegation da tawre haraga di sigi system se laga di koi rule of law se le ro then the gi moigi top media channel kharana am tawraga mi je dum smai tawra false allegations like dum sigi koi India the developing country na vulnerable weaker sections of society laws including women adagi children adagi ahan laman ko makoi gi laws am phajana enforce on hona was the misuse never how many cases are pending at the instance of the fact divorce cases filed by wife against husband. I don't support husband also if he commits so and so crime ko adubu adumba data mayam dudi ai changja roge ado sidai da kari gidamta sigi jaga je la ino habdi verify to analyze to bam khakti tawram dra ba ko adu police su hujik investigate tawre haiba police so far as my knowledge is concerned sideline tawle re
okay
adu gender neutral ne ba ko hujik lai je gender neutral lo mina nupiduna katukan towe as far as my facts are collected ko adudadi gender neutral oibani nupidu su charge to we have a pot su ai finding phangdawdi nate but it takes place outside not in Manipur masina khoi da vulnerable ohen maneba mama pa da imung manungi parents mayam da pau phau ba ngamda ba khot ba mayam khak leiba aduna madugi timing da media jina yam na aggravated form da amuk makhata na sum sigi keno ji satharak pa haitare na it needs to be stopped and such kind of this thing endeavor on the part of such people should not be encouraged at all.
Okay.
Aduni.
Okay, thank you very much. About Tamiru Zakon Zitaba. Amakat Tazaboine was a Victor Relaxage. Was a Jose Quiggy parent Aniki Warol Zitar Bamatunda, Jab Java Mati Kandri, Edomapu, Ying Bada Aquigi Asagi, victim Nehariban Pimachas, the Sing Mag, Masasi, Masi, Magi Ikai Kumnabasi, Mangi Haragadi. Parentsing the Aquishel Dimal, Sisu, Tobum talked the Rahina Kali. Aduga tang taraga humdu ida tawraga tang taraga haidi nimit chondara kanda amu report tawrak paduga kesu ngasai upai leiraktabadagi atopana tawbadagi hairiba SCP nupi bana nang sumaina tharo habdagi thare habam jo hairi aduma bu hojik si chap chap ju khangde adagi case su Guwahati de thokpa case ore adubu as a advocate amoina khogi leiriba sida chenari bese khogi mitai macha akoi nupam sangaktani oja makoi je tasengna mak maral si leiram da bata di makoi matau karam na khoi makoi gi dang kari kari kamain to boya ja tong tong thambi
makoi maral level ite bai si hojik si ai sai je du trial lo sangre trial lo ibna maram mar kanda pressure yam wangam ni na hojik di police ta hojik si chamam na bam lei madu pau phange da aina mayam da hangjaningi di hojik tabigre imung manungi mama mapana di ba mayam adu edi media gi hujik tabi di ba madu gi pau phongbu gi mayam do hujik ti aina hangjari se victim ji kana oiram dong man ge adu question mai hangjani mayam dani masi ꯈꯨꯝꯕꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯒꯅꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ intermediate jagada license mes kakpagi phibam ju lakpagi mong lakadawri ko tai chade na lojai aina makhoi ga direct wari sanabnina aina din knowledge khare hen leina lojage adu masi hairaga koi lana lobi dana bai madum chu sengjage aduga marak sidai da paula na phongi ba photo ga sandokhiba adagi maming ga haptana address ka haptana tawrise kemna te mase koi university do university dogi the direct hapam moi manga gi maming am khak leibido adudagi sum tora tawdagi sum tawdagi henjanba amanong torga amanong hapsan tawdagi pura singju saraga pura melain ne bo oirise ko ana aina mayam da hangjaning badi logi khoi course of action hai tare amasulai madu thajabiu makoi juvenile makoi crime tormi tormde habe jaga to media na hujik nainabi bisi amtang lepi kho aduga khoi gi yaragati ngambiragana police station da chatle khole khoi chatlui ka kaina hangaga phungbi ba paw kyam yawbige mayam dai hangjari police station da kana laaga paw khomi kholi JJB da natraga CCL gi matang da kari paw phungi ka kai jai so far in the last 3-4 days ko kem leite aduna khoi gi table le ta pangphong da phongaga tawbase masi tawbidana masu tawi maram di kai gino da yamna sathiba direction am da uji chatpagi mong leire yaragadi mayam comment anum pabiu comment da hanagi mong gi situation ethnic classes ki mong da hujik iraktana kholaktana tawu mayam lei ko madu akoi isa na contribute tawasi makhata na peace building gi mahutta nakan na marom da sina maram oir ka na mu chathabagi mong leiragadi mayam je loina isa mo responsibility am ka pui habaji mai thamjage no kayam nataba thabak ne na akoi gi comment pibo oiragana adugi mi sing dusu koi police ki side tagi makoi gi marakta action lobam thokpra na khanjai cyber unit su adagi atoppa administration leiba mayam su makoi gi puning joina chingsinjaraga sigi case sidaida amuktang minute mari manga khak khandara kana mayam gi hujik pi gi statement mayam du daida kari oiramba yage habsi ju kitang khanbiu aduga blunt yamna oibiganu blunt oibaduna sida criminal adjudication da delivery system da disturb yam tawe madu mof ne na in amku jai jage mof trial media trial almost same and akin to each other ado madu we should not support and encourage at all ko the rule of law je prevail to honse aduga mayam na thajaba credibility amuk society da thamamba adu erosion tawrei du karigino aduga 21st century hijik leibasi da koina media kamaina handle tawi habisu isa isa na tawi do sumna tawbra habisi su second balance am khak thamba isa ne sada question hangjabam darkar lei masi hargai tension jage
okay thank you very much Secretary